What if we don't use more fuel cars but electric ones? Since the past we have always used fuel cars, which are diesel, methane, petrol, without ever asking the question, where do these compounds come from? It is these organic compounds, which in the long run will be on the verge of extinction, therefore have these fuels a limit. We take these from the subsoil, also from the sea, to deep fissant from what is level 0, with the aid of crane. When we put these compounds into our machines they cause smoke, sometimes black, which gradually pollutes our land, taking away from the plants all the beautiful landscapes and turning it into a desert of smoke. So, talk about, what are these electric cars? When we talk about electric cars, we usually talk about the future. Many countries, in fact, seem to believe more and more in the advantages of this type of car, deciding incentive programs for the purchase of electric cars. The electric car is a car that uses only electricity thanks to the use of powerful batteries of the latest generation. Unlike hybrid cars, electric cars have a totally absent polluting impact, just as engine noise is absent, but they emit only a sound to warn pedestrians of their arrival. To indicate the electric car is also used the acronym BEV. Battery electric vehicle, because they are powered exclusively with batteries through electricity that comes from the grid or other distribution systems. The recharge can be done through the columns spread on the territory or with domestic electrical outlet. Charging an electric car is easy and can be done wherever there is a socket or charging station. Public charging stations are also available at gas stations, car parks, restaurants, hotels and other places. But how exactly do these work? The electric car is driven by an electric motor that uses the electric energy accumulated by the lithium-ion battery, transforming it into the mechanical energy needed to move the car. The electricity stored by the lithium-ion battery is transferred to the electric motor thanks to the inverter. This device turns the direct current of the accumulator into alternating current and sends it to the engine. When the accelerator is released, the electric car motor acts as a generator and recharges the battery. Identical function is activated when braking. And finally, how do they affect the environment? However, using public transport or just walking or cycling to work will always be a much more environmentally friendly choice. A car is still a car. Replacing it with another type of car will not solve transport problems, such as traffic. Electric motors are more efficient than combustion engines because electric vehicles waste less energy and, in addition, do not produce emissions of air pollutants such as nitrogen oxides and particulates. Electric vehicles can also reduce noise pollution, especially at lower speeds. They are less noisy than conventional cars. As for health, the main benefit is related to air quality.